The end results of today's recipe will make you try it right after watching this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple recipe that has helped me grow my daughter's hair as well as my own hair. This hair treatment will prevent hair breakages, hair fall, and help you grow much fuller, thicker, and beautiful hair. Ever since products damaged my hair and had to do the big chop, natural ingredients have been part of my hair growth regimen. And today I'm going to show you one simple remedy. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Let's get into it. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So our first ingredient for today's recipe is an avocado. If you do not know avocados can help you grow your hair, then you better watch this video to the end because we're going to learn so much about avocados today. So make sure you save those avocados. But before watching this video, I would love to ask for a favor. Please give this video a thumbs up right now. And also, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So each time I upload DIYs like these to help you grow your hair much faster, you'll be notified. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair. I do simple hairstyle tutorials as well as kids hairstyle tutorials. So it's always fun on this channel. Make sure you subscribe and please share this video with just one person who might also be interested in growing their hair.